Want to prevent this from happening? You need to stop mouth breathing. And if you want to stop mouth breathing, you need to start using mouth tapes. And if you're afraid of using mouth tapes, you need to use this mouth tape in particular. Yes, I know there's a hole in the center, but that's what makes this a great beginner mouth tape because it still promotes nasal breathing, less snoring, better sleep, all while keeping your jaw relaxed and in the upright position. Whereas if you leave your mouth wide open, that just leads to dry mouth and impacts to your facial structure. These are one of the hottest mouth tapes on TikTok right now. Make sure to grab a pack at the link below before they sell out and you have to wait for the next batch.